Usesinango-ke sisi igama lakho ngubani? Grace. Yeah, sise ema-B esiyabuswa B la khona uGrace asifonele nakabona ubhuti-ke nangu bathi ulahlekile kusichazisele ukuze udibane kwenzakaleni.
Ubhuti lona like bengimbona la endleleni lo ngihlangana naye ibile bengisuthi uyabhema bekunyawo uphenyana mara ngambona ukuthi akusimuvi like ojwayelekile ukuthi ukhaladi. So unfortunately ngelinye ilanga wafika la athi like ngimbona ukuthi ulambile stuff wabawa ukuthi basho ngimupha amakela amazambane ngisingaraxayo ukuthi njani ngamenzela ama-chips nyana ukuthi adle abe right. So like ngathoma ukumbuza ukuthi wena sengisikhatshanyana ngikubona la siyakuso kwenza njani uvela wathi ubuye eBrongoro. So mangimbuza ngithi ubuye eBrongoro so ngithi wena musi la sesiyavuswa une-family like mine wathi ifamily yakhe eBrongoro unobhuti uno-ankele. So like ngicabanga ukuthi ulala nangimbuza ukuthi ulelephi kwesinye isikhathi ngitshela ngamarumu alapha emva kwegugu kunamarumu-nyana amanye so ngasepolice station so and kwesinye isikhathi uyambona unokuba nalapha elokuphi kwamakhekhe like kusho ukuthi uba ukudla kanani. So ngiyamtshela nje ngithi mina nangakufunela like usizo ukuthi like ubuyele ekhaya ungakuhamba nazo wavuma wathi yena inkinga vele ubuswa indaba yami i-transport ukuthi abuyele ekhaya. So manje ngiyamtshela namhlanje ngiyambuza ukuthi wena if ever nangakufunela usizo nami uzokuhamba like uyafuna ukuya ekhaya kwamarefu nami wathi ya. So ngathi mnazi ngizokwenzela iplani ukuthi ubuyele ekhaya because like nje kuza ubusika and angeke unokuhamba ulala koke sona lapha like ukuhamba uba ukudla and uyabona ukuthi abanye abantu le way ubukanja ngakhona ubonakala ngakhona ngeke ube muntu ukuthi emphakathini uba ngathi umuntu obhemayo so like ngathi ngizokufunela usizo wathi uyakudinga nje uzile namhlanje nje isinto engifumako ngamupha ukudlanyana ngamtshela ngathi abantu aba ngiyabafonela nje ukuthi bazokukhuphela wathi akana-problem. Waphuma nakaphumako kushuthi kumele mude imuvilo something wabuya trek wangibuza abantu abalokhu obabizile bayezana ngathi abasendleleni because bekazi ukuthi bengiye lapho ukuthi ngiyo bekazi ukuthi kufuna i-investigation ngathi abantu abazokuphekelela bakubeke ekhebisi long wena ukwazi la uhlala khona mara yena uthi umalumakhe uyaphila ngobhuti akhe ekhaya. So maye into engisawufuna ukuthi ukuhamba uhlala koke isho uyangihawula shenazi and mncane phela basina-26.
Okay, isizame wayekharinane lingakufile ngabantu ngingena babana bakhothanyana anganibona ukuthi
ngaye wami wamukhona.
okay.
So manje yena ubeshwa yi-transport shena kuphela neduthi aphile ekhaya.
So wena ufuna ukuthi aye ekhaya
neduthi abona umndeni ahlale
abanye abathize bathi senza ama-mixed breed nyana abathize bathi nabambona bakhawa
bayamazi uyasho you-ankeli your brother is staying at Brongor ne? Yeah. Even your uncle?
Yeah. Kesimlochise before simbona-ke. Before what is your name? Reiki. What? Reiki. You're saying you're from Brongor Spruit? Yeah. If we can take you to Brongor Spruit, will you able to remember your home? Because we don't want to take you here and then deliver you to the place that you don't even know yourself. You know where you are going. If we take you back where you want to go, would you be able to recognize your home? Do you have any contact where we can contact your family? Don't you have any contact?
You know where you stay?
Yeah. You know where you're staying? Yes. You will take us exactly where you stay? Not actually. No.
If you are not
It's
not so but in a car wash. Always car wash.
Yeah, you just only know the car wash.
Yeah.
How long have you been staying at Brongor Spruit?
It's about say maybe 2 weeks now.
2 weeks staying at you originate from?
Yellow.
Eh?
Yellow.
What? I can't hear you.
Yellow.
It's not this country.
It's not far.
You're not a South African citizen.
I am.
You are a South African citizen. How did you arrive here at Siyabuso? What was your intention for coming here? What was on your mind when you decided to come let me just go to Siabuso. What was on your mind? Because they say they see you that you are not smoking. So I want to find out what was your reason to find yourself here in Siabuso.
I was like walking so.
You were just walking.
Yes.
You just wake up and walk in.
Yes.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ikhona into engekho right la kuyo.
yena ngisho
Because-
ngishile nalapha ukuthi like ngathi ingqondo le nayo
So you see i-situation enjengayakhe singakhamba siye eGroblersdal sifike lapha eGroblersdal uthole ukuthi akusikho. Uyamuzwa ukuthi una 2 weeks ahlala eGroblersdal usibalele enye indawo. We need to be specific.
mina wena Reiki, you want your home, your original home where you stay. You have
What contact
Hello.
do you have? What contact do you have for us to reach someone from your home?
As in like numbers?
Like numbers.
Yeah. You don't.
No clue.
Or does your brother have a Facebook?
Like WhatsApp. Yeah.
Facebook.
Facebook. Does he have
Facebook.
Yeah.
What is the initials or
name?
name and surname. Your brother.
I don't
What's your brother's name?
I don't actually know.
Your brother's name. What's your brother's name?
Zaino.
Zini.
Zaino.
Zeno Edwards.
Probably we can have
So-
like 50 people above.
yeah?
But if you try to like maybe try to trace him, will you like specify him in terms of image? Will you be able to show us this is him?
You don't know your brother.
I don't know his like I don't work
His
on
face.
His face.
Yeah.
Yeah, will you able to show them if they can search him on Facebook?
Not really.
You don't know yet the face of your brother.
Okay, Chama, King is how long have you been here in Siabuso?
It's about 2 months.
2 months. Una 2 months ala Siabuso.
Nasekuyisikhathi ngimbone muthi 2 months leyo ngiyaqinisa. Sekuyisikhathi vele nathi.
So then how long were you staying in Brahma Springs?
42 weeks now.
2 weeks. So in
Where's your
Springs-
home, Reiki?
In Brahma Springs, is your home
Your
or
home.
is your brother's house?
Stay at Aldo.
So in Brahma Springs, who's staying in Brahma Springs?
It's a friend that wash cars now. I'm like
Is your friend?
Your family, your siblings.
we want
Or
to
uncle.
know where is your family, because as much as you want help, we want to take you to your family, not to your friend's home.
Yeah, or to the street.
Yeah, your
We-
family,
We,
where
we,
is your
cannot
home?
just let you walk around the street. We just want to take you to the right place.
At your home,
it's,
where you
it's-
stay.
It's Aldo's.
Your
Yeah,
uncles
go.
or your
Do
your
you still know the direction of Eros?
I know, from here.
Yeah.
I don't actually really don't.
What is it? Is in Soweto?
Yeah, that side. Yeah.
I think yabona ukuthi le nto le izosihlangahlanganisa sizokuhamba siye eBrongorspruit uthola ukuthi
and uyezwa ukuthi eBrongor nje phela mina uthe eBrongor sikhabo unomalumakhe kunobhutakhe and nje mina ngithi eBrongor so yinto angitshele yona.
abafethu angazi ukuthi ngicabanga ini-ke
Or kani like nimpost maybe family anything.
okay njengoba nithi una 2 months kose sazi ukuthi somthola kuphi nangabe mhlambe
Yena uphile kuphi kwamakhekhe?
Ulala
Ulala
lapho.
uyeza la net ukulala uthi basho khona lapha emarumini angazi ukuthi usalala khona.
bese usuyalala lapho udla ini like
Unokuza la yabona nje nakezela bengimenzile into khanje sinhle nje. Shoot nalapha kwamakhekhe ngikuyacela.
uhlala agcoke impahla eziwani
So vele ngimaza so 2 months la akhuluma ngayo vela so.
so uyageza
Hawu.
Did you bath? You bath where?
Lapho nami.
Mara uyazimwaya yabona nawuzimwaya ukuthi utawugeza
Akahlambi.
awugeza ngisho
Akahlambi vele ugeza
awugeza
awu.
ngisho
Usukela amanzi nje.
thatha sokutholele ukuthi at least ubukeke ungqonwana ngisho
Yeah, geza.
bese ngasiceda sibone abantu bakheni bakubona umuhle
Yeah, it is because I'm recognized.
yabona
Phela akunamuntu onganalikhaya. These people are going to help you work, ne? Yeah, they are going to get you place safe. They are going to give you the water to bath now, ne? Yeah, maybe they will get help. They'll find your family and stuff.
You're not smoking, right?
Yeah.
Our problem is that we don't want to keep someone who's smoking.
They will get you help. You will find your family.
Yes, you'll get them very soon. Yeah. So sesicide siyabonga kakhulu my sister ne. Decide ukuthi sihambe naye sibone ukuthi senza njani. Because nasingathi simthatha simisa emaphoyiseni, amaphoyisa ositshela ukuthi abanayo indawo for umuntu olahlekile bona, they don't have any place to keep him. So siyabona at least sisokuplanisa sibone ukuthi simtholela kanjani ihelebho athome ageza, hayi ukuthi mhlambe sikhetha ngoba mbala umuntu makalahlekile angazi ukuthi angathinta kuphi. Ningathathi ukuthi ngoba yena mhlambe umhlotshwanyana, that is why simnakekela senzeni. Asina apartheid. Umbereko wethu as i-identical force is to pick him up, simise endaweni right, ahlwengeke. Siyabonga nosisi ukuthi nithathe isinqumo nanibona umuntu esestradeni ahamba, because asazi ukuthi isizathu sokuthi abela yini. Do you have anything? Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama siyamthatha-ke sihamba naye ayozama ukuthi asigoce. Thina we are one of those. Asanda. Yeah, for citing for that one.
Yeah.